So nyumwebazo tubentureba hari
my network.
Near past tense. We saw a word like
It'll be showing empty.
So I can say nyumwebazo twegire nyumwebazo ebitwegireho turonzire ebitabo byabura. That's one of the words we saw, which means we looked for books and they got lost. So we are going to continue to see how some other words change their appearance. So nitureba ngu ebigambo ebikuhendera, words that end with ba, ga, ha, ka, ma, and ya. When they go to the past tense, tuzukuzo past tense, the a changes to ire. If the word was gamba, it will become gambire. So if it was so this a will change to ire. Mpulire?
Yes. Been off.
So here we had tunga to become tunjire. That is to get. So if you want to say that if you want to say that I got, I can say ntunjire emyenda. That means I got clothes. Ntunjire, that means I got, because this
tunga means what?
Tunga means to get. It is like a word, but it will mean get. It means get. Like there we have kutunga. Kutunga means to get. Kutunga, that is to get. So if you want to say that you got something in the past tense, you will say ntunjire emyenda. That means I got. So this tunjire means got. Actually, I would make it some closer. And some to the right. Yes, okay. So this is the English. So this one is like spoke. Then this one is got. Then this kutunga means to get. So if you want to say that I got clothes, you say ntungire emyenda. Emyenda.
Okay.
Then if you want to say this gamba, it comes from kugamba. And kugamba is to speak. So if you want to say that he spoke, you will say agambire. Agambire kubi. What does it mean? Agambire kubi.
He spoke bad?
Yes, he spoke badly. Agambire kubi. Agambire kurungi. That means he spoke well. So this is the past tense of when something is, you want to say that yesterday he spoke badly. Agambire kubi. Then we have taha. Taha means to enter. Enter. Yes. No, this means to go. To go home. It is taham, which means come in. So taha means to go home. So if you want to say that mutahire shahazingahi, at what time did you go home? If I say mutahire shaha zingai, I'm asking them that this mutahire is, it means you went, this mutahire. So if I say mutahire shaha zingahi, what time did you go? Of course now because of did, we don't have did you went. Mutahire. So if we can say mutahire, mutahire means you went. If I say mutahire kare, mutahire kare, that means, do you know what it means?
No.
Mutahire kare. Kare means early. So I'll say this one means you went home early. You went home early.
Kare means early?
Kare means early. Mutahire kare. That means you went home early.
Yeah.
Then if I want to say that you went home late, to be late, we have a word called, let me reduce my, okay, anyway, let me extend my things to go up. That is called chichererezi. So if I say mutahire mutahire chichererezi, mutahire chichererezi, that means you went home late. You went home late.
Chichererezi.
This word comes from, it comes from okucherererwa. okucherererwa, okucherererwa, okucherererwa. That is to be late. To be late. So in the past tense, yes, kucherererwa is to be late. So in the past it becomes, this word becomes, it is replaced and becomes chichererezi. So mutahire chichererezi, or you can say mutahire bwizire. Mutahire bwizire. So which one is simple? Bwizire. Mutahire bwizire.
What's bwizire?
Bwizire means
What's bwizire?
You went home late. Now bwizire, it comes from okwira. Okwira means when, like, if it gets dark, we say obwire bwira. If I say obwire bwira, that means it is the time is getting late. Obwire bwira. Obwire is time. Kwira means to be late, like to be dark.
Obwire.
Bwira. That means I'm saying that it is late.
Obwire bwira.
Like if you have visited a person and then he tells you otagenda, obwire bwira. That means he's telling you that don't go, the time has gone, the time is late, maybe it is dark, or you are late. So if I want to tell people that you went home late, mutahire chichererezi, or mutahire bwizire.
Mutahire is the opposite of mutahire. You put or to make it the opposite.
Mutahire, that means mu is you. I'm telling a group of people, and is from kutaha. Kutaha means to go home. Mutahire chichererezi, mutahire kare. So if you want to say that I went home late, you say ntahire bwizire.
Ntahire bwizire.
That is when you have delayed on the work. Ntahire bwizire. Bwizire. Meaning you went home when it was already dark.
Okay.
Ntahire bwizire. Or ntahire chichererezi. They all mean that you went home. You went home when it was already late or it was dark. Then we have hika. This hika is to reach somewhere. Okuhika. If you want to say I've reached there, you say nahikayo.
Nahikayo.
I have reached there. If you want to say he has reached there, you say yahikayo.
Yahikayo.
He has reached, she has reached there. Now the point comes when we're going to put it in the past tense, and we want to say that he reached there. Ahikire yo. This means he reached there. Ahikire yo.
Huh?
Ahichireyo.
Ahichireyo.
Yes, he reached there. He reached there. Ahichireyo. Muhichireyo. To
Ahichireyo.
This one means he reached there. If I want to say that they reached there, I will say bahichireyo. I'm meaning like a group of people. They reached there. Bahichireyo. They reached there.
Bahichireyo.
Okay. Then I can now add on bahichireyo bwizire. Bahichireyo bwizire. That means they reached there.
Mr. Des, I'm having a call. Maybe I'm going offline.
It is okay. Let me first wait. The only alone. So I have here yahikayo. Yes, then today yahikayo. Now after some time tomorrow I ask you ahichireyo, then you reply to me. Now if I put it like this, ahichireyo, did he reach? Then you will reply me that
Yahikayo.
ahichireyo, because it is in the past tense. It is in the past tense. Ahichireyo. Assuming you sent somebody to go. Then now the following day you call and ask them ahichireyo. And then this ahichireyo, you are asking them, did he reach there? Then that person will tell you ahichireyo, he reached there. Then we have shtama. You remember the word okushtama, to sit. Then this in the past tense it becomes shtamire. So if I ask you where were you seated? Oshtamire nkahi?
Oshtamire nkahi?
That means where did you sit? Oshitamire nkahi.
Okay.
Then you can reply to me. Oshitamire omumisho.
Oshitamire omumisho.
That means I sat in front. Omumisho, that is in front. I sat in front.
Okay.
Nshitamire
Omumisho.
nshitamire enyuma.
Oshitamire enyuma.
What does it mean?
Sat in the back.
Yes. Nshutamire rwagati.
I sat in the middle.
Exactly.
Oshitamire
Rwagati means in the middle. Likewise, you can tell a person shutama omumisho. Shutama omumisho. That means sit in front.
Shutama omumisho.
Shutama rwagati. Sit in the middle. Shutama enyuma. Sit behind. So I can now write a sentence that omwishomero nkaba ninshutama rwagati y'abishiki. What does it mean?
Mwishomero nkaba ninshutama rwagati y'abishiki. And at school, I sat in the middle of girls.
Yeah, that is it. That in the school, nkaba means like I used to. I used to sit in the middle of girls. That is the statement. So here now we see we can combine words and we come up with sentences. Omwishomero. So that is it. So I've removed this one. So I can say nkaba nshutamire rwagati. Nkaba nshutamire rwagati y'abantu. That means I was seated in the middle of people. Nkaba nshutamire rwagati y'abantu. I was seated in the middle of people. We are going to see another word, okwemerera. Nkaba nyemerire omu bantu. That one we shall see it later. So we have shisha. That means to spoil. And in the past it becomes shisire.
Shisire.
Yes. Noha noha oshiisire embuga. I'm saying who spoiled embuga means a courtyard. Noha osisire embuga. Osisire embuga.
What's embuga?
Embuga is a courtyard or compound. Compound or courtyard.
Now what's noha? I don't understand the full
Noha
sentence.
is who. Noha is who. Who? Noha. Who? If somebody knocks on the door, you say Noha. You're asking, who are you? Then we have Tina. Tina is fear. And it becomes Tinire. So if I ask you, Omutinire ki?
Tina Tine. You know the song?
Yes, Tindatine. So if I say Omutinire ki, mu means mu, why did you fear him or why did you fear her? Omutinire ki, because she is why. So why did you fear him? If I want to say why did you fear me, you say ontinire ki.
Why did you fear him? Ontinire ki?
Why did you fear me? Then if I want to say why did you fear them, obatinire ki. Then why did you fear them? Because ba is them. Then you can say that nyomwabazyo ntinire embwa. Nyomwabazyo ntinire embwa. Ntinire embwa. Meaning yesterday I feared dogs. Embwa is dogs. Or I feared a dog. Yesterday I feared a dog. Nyomwabazyo ntinire enjura. Enjura is rain. Yesterday I feared rain.
Okay, I fear you. What's I fear you?
Ninkutina. 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 Then if you say I feared you,
Ninkutinire.
Tinire. I feared you.
So remove this name.
Eh?
What's the third name? It's inkutinire.
Ire. I feared you.
Inkutinire. I feared
You.
Otantina. What's don't fear me?
Otantina. Don't fear me.
I got it right. I was kidding.
Good. Otamutina. Don't fear him. Or don't fear her. Otamutina.
Don't fear me. Otamutina. My friend told me I'm writing good. This good Runyankole. I told him yes, I'm having the best teacher. By the way, people are starting to compliment me that I am a Runyankole. Did you know this? I'm starting to construct sentences.
That's good.
Thank you so much. So please, Mr. Dennis, sometime back I got a call from my boss. They need me.
Okay.
I have to go.
It's okay.
Yes.